We are Ambay etching process. Discover the game-changing technology. Introducing India's leading provider of 5-axis laser texturing services, specializing in laser S-series technology. For enhancement of molding textures, we are crafting a new era of mold design mastery. We believe precision in motion, perfection in results. We've made this mold extra special by adding a cool SPI D1 texture. It not only makes it look better but also helps it work even better than before. So for your next project, partner with 26 years of innovation. We are Ambay etching process.